Yes, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Welcome to Understanding Al-Quran the Easy Way. Today we are going to be discussing lesson 7b, inshallah. We will move to the next slide. In this lesson, we'll be discussing through three new words, ila, ma'a, and inda. During the last lesson, we did discuss about harf, ism, and fi'l. Can somebody tell me, ila, which class does it belong to? Mariam, are you there?
Harf.
MashaAllah. What of ma'a?
It's also harf.
What of inda?
Harf.
Also harf.
So in this lesson, it's important to note that only ilah is harf. Ma'a and inda are ism for the purpose of this class. So make sure that you note this, and going forward, ma'a and inda are ism and not harf. They've been included in this class because they share common attributes and for the fact that they are similar. But ila is harf, which you are correct, but ma'a and inda are ism. Let us start our class. Usually, in starting our class, we start our class using the total physical interaction, where we use all our senses. We hear it, we see it, we think it, we say it, we show it, we love it, and we do it together. Please, can you repeat with me? Let's go. Hear it. Please unmute and let's do it together. Hear it.
Hear it.
See it.
See it.
Think it.
Think it.
Say it. Please use the TPI.
Say it.
Show it.
Show it.
Love it.
Love it.
And do it together.
And do it together.
The TPI procedure or process is a very innovative, interactive, and unique way of learning. It is very important that we use the total physical interaction as we move on. And this is what makes learning through this platform very unique. Let's go to the next slide. We did mention yesterday in our presentation that we have ism, which is a noun, fi'l, a verb, and harf. And ism, we say it can be a name or an attribute. Am I correct? How do we identify an ism? Can somebody tell me, how do we identify an ism? Aisha? Sister Aisha, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
We identify ism either at the beginning of the word by alif lam or at the end of the word by dhammatan, fatatan, kisratan, or the plurals wanun, yanun, and alif ta.
Barakallahu fi. Very correct. We also say we have a verb and then particle, which is harf. We will be doing the harf next week, but for now, we are still on harf. And then we said the harf can be what? Can somebody mention some of the harf we've done yesterday? Can somebody remember? In lesson 6b, we did mention that yesterday we did B, fi, and ala. These are the three harfs we did yesterday. Now, do you know why we have B and fi, still two different words and are written as in? Can somebody explain that to me? It's because in languages, including Arabic, you can have one word meaning different meanings depending on the context in which you are making the presentation. So fi and bi means in, but it can change based on the context. And then you have Allah. Let's revise. We also said that with these three words, these three harf, bi, fi, and Allah, automatically you join it with the preposition. You have over 3,000 words coming from the Quran. So let's go to the next one. We also mentioned that there are some phrases that help us to remember these words that we've mentioned. So B, can somebody share with me? B, what is the phrase that will make you remember the word? Yes?
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
MashaAllah. And it means what?
In the name
In
of
the name
Allah.
of Allah.
Barakallahu fi. The second one is fi. The
Fi
Fi
phrase
sabilillah.
fi sabilillah. And the meaning?
In the path of Allah.
Fi sabilillah. You remember the beggars that are on the road and they are asking you, sister, fi sabilillah, for the sake of Allah. Then the last one, which is what we do every day, we say what?
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Barakallahu fi. Now, for B, we now use it with the pronoun. Can somebody read this for me? We've done that yesterday. Bihi, bihim, bika, bi, bikum, bina. So bihi, bihi,
In him.
one finger,
Bihi.
bihim,
In
the
him.
four, bika, pointing the index to one side, bi to myself, bikum, four fingers to the person, four fingers to me, bina, and then the left finger without any discrimination for female, for biha. Can somebody do that? Yes, please, let's go. Alim.
Bihi. In him. Bihim. In them. Bika. In you. Bi. In me. Bikum. In you all. Bina. In us.
The last one for ladies.
Bina.
Yes.
In us.
For ladies, for
Biha.
feminine, biha, mashallah. The next one, can the second person go with this? Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Let's go.
Fihi, fihi,
Mashallah.
in him,
Yes.
fihim, in them, fika, in you, fiya, in me, fikum, in you all, fina, in us, fiha, in her.
Barakallah fi. Let's move to the next one. Who is good? The two of you can do it together.
Alayhi, on him.
Alayhi, yes.
Alayhim, on
Alayhim,
them. Alayha,
alayka,
on you. Alayya, on me.
alayya,
Alaykum, on
alaykum,
you all.
On you all. Alayna.
Alayna, on us.
On us.
Alayha.
alay.
On her. Alayha.
MashaAllah. Barakallah fi. So we have done our revision, the three revisions that we have done. We'll now move for our lessons for today. And we did mention that we are going to talk about three words, one harf, and two ism. Ilayya, ma'a, and inda. So you see the preposition. So can somebody start? Let's go with this. It's the same principle. You only change the end of the word. So, ilayhi, ilayhim, ilayka, ilayya, ilaykum, ilayna, and ilayha. Yes? Can somebody go? For the sake of Allah.
إليه
MashaAllah.
إليه to him,
Yes.
إليهم to them,
Yes.
إليك to you,
Yes.
إلي to me,
Yes.
إليكم to you all, إلينا to us, إليها to her.
Okay, to remember, Barakallah fi. To remember this, we say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. What does that mean? When somebody dies, this is the first thing we say. If they tell us somebody has died, we say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Inna means what? Indeed, from Allah we come, and to Him we shall return. Raji'un. Raji'un. If you look at the word raji'un, is it singular or plural?
Plural,
Plural. Why is it plural?
because of the wanun at the end of the
Wow, barakallah fi. Masculine or feminine?
plural,
Raji'un. How do we
masculine.
identify a feminine? Ta'u marbuta,
Round ta. Mm.
ta'u marbuta, round ta, or yes. So this is what? Masculine or feminine? So this is masculine and plural. Let's go to the next one, ma'a. Can somebody go with this? Yes, let's go.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Ma'ahum, with him.
Yes,
Ma'ahum,
ma'ahum.
with them.
Yes,
Ma'aka, with you.
yes.
Ma'i, with me. Ma'akum, with you all. Ma'ana, with us. Ma'aha, with her.
Barakallah fi. Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Ma'a means with. Sabirin means what?
The patient.
As-sabirina was-sabirati. Inna Allah, indeed Allah is with sabirin, the patient. Sabirin, is it single or plural? Singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. And we said the reason here is what?
The presence of yanun at the end of the word.
Barakallah fi. And so the last one we saw was wawnun. This one is yanun. Now, is this ism, fi'l, or harf?
Isim.
Ism. And the reason is?
It has alif lam at the beginning and yanun at the end.
Barakallah fi. Barakallah fi. And let us go to the next session, which is spoken Arabic. So Maryam will ask the question and Aisha will answer. Bismillah.
هل الله معه؟
Na'am, Allahu ma'ahu.
هل الله معهم؟
Na'am, Allahu ma'ahu.
Barakallah fi. Halillahu ma'ahu. It means what? Is Allah ma'ahu? What is the who there?
With him.
Is Allah with him? Na'am, Allahu ma'ahu. Na'am, yes. Allahu is ma'ahu, with him. Halillahu ma'ahum. Is Allah with them? Na'am, Allahu ma'ahu. It's important that you take note of these two. You know, when we are doing the TPI, we say, huwa, whom, huwa, whom, isn't it? Single, plural. For this case, there is no change. It is who, whom. So for this case, it is him. There is no change for these two. Please take note. So this let's go with this. The same people, let's reverse the person that asked the question now will now handle the answer. Bismillah.
Halillahu ma'aka.
Na'am, Allahu ma'i.
Halillahu ma'akum.
Na'am, Allahu ma'ana. If you notice the first one, it was who. The second one was whom. But in this case, things are changing. Halillahu ma'aka, is Allah with you? We did not say na'am Allahu ma'aka. If you say is Allah with you, you do not say yes, Allah is with you. You answer the question. Is Allah with you? You say na'am, yes. Allah ma'i, Allah is with me. Halillahu ma'akum, is Allah with you all? Na'am Allahu ma'ana. Yes, Allah is with us. So please take note of the last word, ka. We change to ki when you are responding, and kum will change to na. Okay. I see that, okay. Let me see. I see that there's a message sent to me. Let me see the chat. Okay. Brother Abbas, remember classroom manners to address participants' needs with sister of praise. Increase your speed to utilize time. Inshallah, we will do that. Okay. So we go to the next. We go to the next item, in the who, in the whom. So let's go. In the whom, in the who, in the whom, in the ka, in the whom, in the na. This is for this. Come realen in the ka. This is the next one. So we move on. So I will ask the question and then we answer. Hal in the who, can somebody answer? Any of the sisters?
Na'am, indahu qalam.
MashaAllah, barakallah fi. Hal indahum qalam?
نعم
Na'am, indahum qalam.
عندهم قلم.
Go to the next one. Hal indaka qalam?
Na'am, indi
نعم
qalam.
عندي قلم.
Hal indakum qalam?
Na'am,
نعم
indina qalam.
عندنا قلم.
Barakallah fi. We've done this in our discussions, changing from masculine to feminine by changing her to her. This is the total summary of the table that we have done. Ilayhi, ma'a, and inda. This is the 3 tables. This summarizes what we have done today. And it's important that we take note of this, print it, recite it, particularly review it every time after Salat so that it stays with us. These are some phrases that will help us to understand some of the words like inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un, ma'a, inna allaha ma'a sabirin, and kam rialen indahu. We've discussed this. Please, we have part of the learning is that we do our workbooks. We are supposed to print and write. With the writing, we develop writing skills and it makes it easy for us and also acquire another additional skill. There are also some words that you can also learn and make it very easy. Emphasize what you have learned. We have now completed have you now completed your homework and workbook? Learning of the Quran is very important. The Prophet ﷺ said, the best among you is one who studies the Quran, who learns the Quran and teaches it. Today we are learning, and you can only teach when you have learned, and inshallah, it will be good. So please let us complete our homeworks. It's very important and it improves the process. We've started with a prayer and we'd like to conclude with a prayer. Rabbi Zidna Ilman. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.